Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing some marinated chicken. Gonna marinate it with some orange juice, this bold citrus by Spanglish. Once it's marinated for an hour or so, we'll top it with some chicken rub before we throw it in the smoker. Stay tuned. The cook will probably be about an hour and a half, 2 hours until it hits 165, and you'll be good to go. Got all the ingredients you'll need to marinate the chicken. 1 cup of orange juice, half a cup of the Spanglish bold citrus marinade, this one right here. Once it's done marinating, I'll throw a little bit of the chicken rub on before I throw it into the Masterbuilt smoker. Marinated chicken going down on the smoker. Some chicken, orange juice, seasoning. Pretty simple. Just let it marinate for an hour or overnight and you'll be good to go. Gonna marinate the chicken. Get some gloves. Gotta stay sanitary. First I'll take a little bit of the chicken rub, just a little bit, because I'm gonna do this before the marinade and after. Just a little bit. Bam. Got a half a cup of the bold citrus. Let's open up the bag. Just cooking off 5 thighs today. You can do as many as you want. You could do the full marinade recipe and it'll be good for 2 pounds. Throw the chicken in the bag. Got the chicken in the Ziploc. Take the the seasoning, boom, right in the bag. Get the orange juice. Get in there and mix it up. I'm gonna let it marinate for like an hour. You could do it overnight, but at least try to do it for an hour. Got it all mixed up good. Throw a little bit of extra chicken rub in there. Let it go. Get it mixed up real good. Seal it off. Put it back in the fridge for an hour or 2 and we'll be looking good. Once it's all marinated, we'll throw it back on the preheated smoker. It's gonna be really good. Just let it sit in there, marinate. You have a good flavorful chicken. Put it in here. Just like that. Get it all on it. Damn. Got the smoker preheating to about 275. That's the highest it goes on this one. If you have a smoker that goes higher, you could put it up to 300. I have it preheating for 275 and I'll cook it off for probably an hour and a half or 2 hours until it hits 165. Just preheating it right now. Got some smoke in there. Wood chips, damn. Looking good. Bam, ready to go. Let it preheat for about 40 minutes. Got the chicken, been marinating for about 2-3 hours. Gonna take it out, put it right here, sprinkle a little of the chicken rub on it, then I'm gonna throw it in the smoker, let it cook off for about 2 hours. Looks really good, has a lot of flavor. Marinated chicken going down. Put it on here. Then I'm gonna put some seasoning, it'll be good to go. Thank you guys. Got the marinated chicken. Gonna season it up a little bit with the chicken rub, then throw it in the smoker. Chill, just cook. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. You'll see me throw it in right now. Got the chicken rub, about to throw some on, just to add a little bit more seasoning. Bam. Looks good. All marinated, seasoned up, ready to go in. Throwing in the chicken in the smoker, gonna let it go for about an hour, 2 hours. We'll check back out on it. Got the thermometer inserted in the chicken, just to keep an eye on it until it hits 160, 165. Got a nice clean smoke coming off. Gonna cook it off for about 2 hours. We'll check back in a little bit. Says it's at 162. Might need a little bit longer. Let's check it out. It's been cooking for about an hour. Looks bomb, really good. The chicken has been cooking for about an hour and a half. Gonna temp it, see what the temp is. Looks good. Pull out one piece. This is about an hour and a half in. Gonna check the temp on it. $155, probably another 40 minutes, 30 minutes. Sitting at 154 right now, a little bit longer. check the smaller piece. About 156, still got a little ways to go, maybe 30-40 minutes. We'll check back in. Let's check it out. It's hitting 165 on here. Bomb. Ooh. Nice color. Should be done. Look at the color on that. It's gonna have a lot of flavor. Let's check the temp. Check it on one of the biggest pieces. Sitting at 162, maybe a few more minutes. I think these smaller pieces are probably done. Oh yeah. Really good. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Smoked chicken, smoked marinated chicken, looking really bomb. Let's give it a taste test. Look at that, bomb. You can taste the smoky flavor. Some citrus notes, has a lot of good flavor to it for sure. Moist, tender. Wow, look at that. Big belly approved for sure. Perfect. Nice color, flavor, everything's hitting. Wow. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Peace. Till next time.